Greetings, SAT fans. All right, so this is worksheet 1-2. So let's get started here. Basically, when you look at this problem, there are two ways you can go about doing this. You can cross multiply, which is always a good thing to do, or if you can recognize, math fans, that you have the same denominator, I can ignore the denominators then, if they're the same. Okay, so I can literally just do 2x plus 1 equals 4. Okay, that's it. It's pretty nice. Okay, and subtract 1 from both sides, so 2x is equal to 3 divided by 2. X is 3 halves, or 1.5, which is C. Okay, number 6. This one, you don't have the same denominator, so what I would do is I would put a 1 underneath here. And a lot of times you want to prevent from actually having to rewrite the whole problem out, because again, every second that you waste doing something other than solving the problem is waste of time. Okay, it's time that you could use on another problem. So I'm going to put it just underneath there, and I cross multiply. That gives me x plus 2 is equal to 6, and then subtract 2 from both sides. X equals 4. The answer is B. Okay. Number 7. Again, you can do cross multiplication. This one is, look at it, it's equal to 0. Okay, so you can always say, well, what makes the top 0? Because you know 0 over, it doesn't matter what the bottom is going to be 0. Okay, and so if you can recognize that it's just -1, that's great. But if you do cross multiply, again, I have nothing underneath there to put on the bottom, so I can put a 1 if I wanted. Okay, I can say z plus 1 then equals 0, and so z equals -1. Now here's the deal. Boy, that looks really super tempting, but look what they're asking. It's really, really critical. It's what is z plus 1? Super important, because it's really nice to say it's -1, but truly you're saying, oh, -1 plus 1, so the answer is really 0, which is C. Okay, so be careful about that. All right, the next one, it's kind of the same thing. So I'm going to solve. I'm going to distribute that 4, so I'm going to write 4k plus 4 is equal to k plus 10. And subtract k from both sides, so you get 3k plus 4 equals 10, and subtract 4. So 3k is equal to 6, divided by 3, k is equal to 2. Now once again, there it is, 2. But look what they're asking for. They're saying, what is the value of 3k? Okay, and so basically I would take that 2 and I plug it back into there, so I get 3 times 2, which gives me 6. Now if you're really smart, you would have said, after I actually solved this right here, math fans, I got 3k is equal to 6. Well, I'm looking for 3k, so the answer is just 6. Okay, so the answer is D. All right, that's it, SAT fans. Adios. Goodbye.